Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find biometrics and password. As you can see, actually on the first position we've got the fingerprint ID, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the we actually have to add an additional screen lock. We can choose the PIN, we can pick also the pattern or password. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then we will still be able to unlock our device. So this is, let's say, a backup pattern or a backup lock screen. So I will pick the pattern, let me draw it and redraw it here, and tap on done. Okay. And right here we have to decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So we can use it for unlock the device for the access save, access app lock, or autofilm usernames and passwords. Here you've got also some information that about the sensor actually. So for example, that the recognition may fail if your finger is too dry, and so on and so on. And here I think I will stick with only with option to unlock the device. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to adding the fingerprint. Here we've got the animation, so here that we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located under the screen. So just upon add the fingerprint, here we've got the information about the screen protector. So if you will have anything glued, let's say, on the screen, it may affect the sensor. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, here we've got the sensor. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner. So simply lift your finger and change the position on it, of it, of course, for better recognition. Okay, here we have to add the edges again, probably to confirm everything. And as you can see, the enrollment is done. It means that we successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it from this level if we want to, or simply tap on OK. And as you can see, here we've got some new options. I don't want to add the face recognition. And first of all, here we've got the fingerprint animation. So of course we can tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So simply pick the one you like the most, just tap on it, and you can check the preview. Tap on this tick icon if you want to apply it, on this X icon if you want to get back. Under it we've got the fingerprint list. As you can see, we can add up to 5 fingerprints, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it or delete it if we want to. And renaming option is quite cool. Because after renaming it and adding new fingerprints, for example, we will be able to identify the fingerprint. So after tapping on it, this is, let's say, a test. Here we will have listed fingerprints which are added, and after putting our finger on the sensor, your device will show you which fingerprint it is. So that's quite cool. Alright, so enough of talking. Now we can check if the fingerprint sensor works. So let's lock the device. And let's check. Here we've got the fingerprint sensor, so we can put our finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.